guys, so before we jump into the video, let me show you guys a platform I personally have been using to buy cheap Grok accounts. On this platform you can buy super Grok accounts for a full month as low as $5. So guys, if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the video description down below. Let's jump right back into our video.
Wait, look at that tree. Those markings look exactly like the ones from the map. Then we're close. The golden book of life has to be somewhere here.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create beautiful videos just like this, making use of Grok AI completely free. We all know that Grok AI is no longer free, but there are still ways you can use Grok for free, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So make sure you stick around till the very end. Now, if this is your first time here on this channel, I test and review different AI tools. So if you're interested in this type of videos, go ahead, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. All right guys, so to get started, we are going to first of all go over to ChatGPT to generate our script. So I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt, and this is the prompt here. I asked ChatGPT, please give me a script. I want to generate a scene where two men are holding a torchlight at night in search of a golden book of life in a thick forest. Make it cinematic, realistic, professional, and dramatic. Include camera movements, environment, tension, etc. I need just one scene. Make it in line with YouTube community guidelines. I want the script to also include dialogue and should be conversational. So I'm just going to go ahead and send the prompts, and ChatGPT is currently thinking, and you can see right here ChatGPT is going to give me the full script. So this is just for the tutorial. You can actually write your script by yourself, but I'm just using ChatGPT to show you guys the whole process. So after ChatGPT give you the script right here, the next thing you need to do is to copy the prompt and maybe paste it in your notepad. Make some adjustment to it, because sometimes when ChatGPT give you prompts, it sounds robotic. So you can just go ahead, copy the script and paste it in your notepad and make some adjustments or corrections to it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to generate the image for the scene. Remember, I asked it to give me just one scene, and we are going to be needing an image which we are going to be animating inside the AI tool I'm going to show you guys. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to generate the image for the scene. So right now I'm going to go ahead and send this. All right, so ChatGPT come up with the prompt. I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt right now. So the next AI tool we are going to be using is Google Flow, but this is not the AI tool we are going to use to animate the image. We are going to use Google Flow to generate images. Then we'll take it to the next AI tool to animate it. So Google Flow is also free. They give you 150 credits every day for you to use it for your image and video generations. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Create with Flow here. It's going to take me here. You can see I've been using Google Flow for a while. I'm going to go ahead, click on New Project. So I'm going to click on Video right here. And instead of selecting on video, we are going to select Image. Select 16:9. Then over here we can select 4x, because I want to be able to generate 4 images, and from there I can select the one I want. So that is why I am using Google Flow instead of any other AI tool. So over here I'm going to go ahead and select Nano Banana 2, which is also a great AI image generator. The credits I'm going to be using, you can see we are using 0 credits. So next I'm going to come over here and paste in my prompts right here. So this is the prompts I got from ChatGPT, as you guys see. So next I'm going to come over here and hit on generate, and once I hit on it, you can see here 4 images are generating at once. So once the image are finished generating, I will go ahead and select the one I prefer. All right, so the image has been generated. You can see each of these images here are a little bit different. So all you need to do is to go ahead and download which one you want. So I'm just going to download anyone here. I'm going to hit on this one here. So the image has been downloaded. So the next AI tool we are going to be using is called Gemini Gen AI. So once you click on it, it will take you here. Go ahead, click on sign up. It's going to take you here. The only way you sign up is by registering with your Google. So click on it, and then it will take you to the next page. Go ahead, select the Google account you want to use. And guys, you can make use of your mobile phone on this platform. So It's not exclusive for desktop or laptop users alone. So once you sign up and log into your account, this is where it's going to take you. So to start using Grok, if I go ahead and scroll down here, you will see there is Grok here. You can see there is an option to extend your videos here too. So you can actually extend your videos here. So all I'm going to do is to come over here and click on Grok AI. Once I click on it, I'm going to scroll down here. This is where I'm going to upload the reference image. Remember, we have already generated our image. This is where I'm going to paste my prompts, select the aspect ratio here, select the resolution. This is where we can select the duration. So I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy the whole prompt. Once I copy the script, I'm going to come back here, paste it, then upload the image here. So you can see the image has been uploaded right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and scroll all the way down here. We've selected landscape, which is 16:9. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. You are going to see this pop up here for you to verify if you are a human. So click on verify. After that, you will see your request has been submitted successfully. So you can see the video is generating right here. So let's go ahead and wait for the outcome. Alright guys, so the video has been generated, as you can see it's right here. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and scroll all the way down here and hit on download. You can see it downloading right here, and you can see it has been downloaded successfully. Now remember, you can also recreate the video just in case you don't like what you see, or you can also extend the video if you want to extend it. So let's go ahead and watch the video.
Wait, look at that tree. Those markings look exactly like the ones from the map. Then we're close. The Golden Book of Life has to be somewhere here.
Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.